Wow, the tough is getting tougher and it's getting worse. So why is YouTube doing us this? Suddenly everything is now double. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to shed more light on the the major things you need to know about this new update YouTube just released yesterday. So it is not funny at all. Many creators will be losing a lot of money, and many channels will start not getting revenue on a monthly basis, and I'm going to tell you why. We all are seeing the 8,000 watch time hours, which is very critical for channels that are about to monetize. Then for channels that are already monetized, some will not be earning like anything from February 2027. You get the point. So if you are just hearing this for the first time, YouTube just released this update: 8,000 watch time hours in the past 365 days and 20 million short views in the past 90 days. So all these updates will be taking effect from February 1, 2027. And if you are struggling to get your 4,000 before now, this is the right time. You need to get it before December or January next year. Okay, now coming to the making money, why creators or some channels will not be earning from this, when this update starts next year. Now, some of the details that they explained in their new update, they explain that for you to earn from short, you need to be getting a minimum of 10 million views in the past 90 days. That's 10 million short views in the past 90 days. So if your channel cannot get up to this 10 million short views in the past 90 days, that means you won't be paid for that month. So you will start getting revenue from YouTube Short when you start hitting the 10 million short views. And this is not a good news for small short form creators. This is not a good news. So what this means is that if you're not getting over 3 million short views every month on your channel, that means no matter, even though if you get 2 million views, you won't earn from that. That is the very fact. And you might be asking, why is YouTube being so harsh or so mean on small creators in the short side of things? And in my own opinion, if you ask me why, I will explain to the best of my knowledge. I think YouTube has suddenly realized that short form content is not paying them as much as long form content. So this could be a way of discouraging small short form creators from creating content, because imagine you are getting 2 million views, 3 million views every month from your short form content, and you are not being paid. You'll be discouraged from making content in short form. You will definitely focus on long form content. You get the point. So many of these kind of creators or channels will not be paid from next year. So unless you hit that 10 million short views threshold within 90 days, if you are getting like confirmed 10 million short views every 3 months, the past 3 months, then you are guaranteed to receive the revenue of that same month or the following month. So as day goes by, we're going to get more details about all this and more clarity. This just broke. The update was just released yesterday. So now coming to the long form side of things, a lot didn't change, but there's this caveat that you need to maintain 1,000 watch time hours in the past 365 days for you to still remain active and also upload 2 long form videos or 5 long form videos in the past 90 days for you to still remain active as a monetized creator or a monetized channel on YouTube. Before, it was if you don't upload a video in the past 90 days, in the past, yes, is it 90, in the past 180 days, your channel will be demonetized. But now they have reduced it to 90 days. So now you need to get at least 1,000 qualified watch time hours in the past 365 days, or 1 million qualified short views in the last 90 days, or 2 long form videos or 5 short uploaded every 90 days. So you need to get any of these for you to still remain relevant or still remain monetized on YouTube. So now this is the best time for you to start making videos. If you have been struggling to hit the 4,000 watch time hours, I think this is the best time to start pumping good content on your channel, because if you struggle to get 4,000 watch time hours now, then you can imagine that you will need double of it. You need to get double of it from next year. So I have this creator that recently hit the 3,000 watch time hours, and she was eligible to the the community funding stuff, that's the minimum monetization. And after some time, she started losing watch time hours because she wasn't consistent on her channel. So currently she stands at 2,000 watch time hours, and she needs 2,000 more watch time hours to hit the 4,000 watch time hours. So imagine that if she can't get the remaining 2,000 watch time hours to hit the 4,000 watch time hours, then after February she will need to get additional 6,000 watch time hours to hit the threshold. So that will be a lot of work. So guys, if you are struggling now and if you really want to get your channel monetized, you start making content. So these are the basic things. So this is not a good news for small short form content creators. This is not a good news. So if you are not getting up to 3 million short views from what they have released, it could be that you might not be earning from short anymore unless you get a minimum of 10 million short views in the past 90 days on your channel. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Is it a good development? Does it reduce the number of creators on this platform, or does it make creating content more frustrating? Just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be going live in the coming hours, where we're going to talk more and dissect other parts of this new YouTube update. So there's other things that we need to talk about, both the premium side of things and all that. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're not yet monetized and you're about to get your channel monetized, you can join my AdSense support program, where I help creators to quickly get their channel monetized. That is after they have reached the threshold and they are trying to make sure that nothing happens during this process. So if you need my support, you can just sign up to my AdSense support program with the the QR code on the screen, or check the link in the description. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next live.